Hey guys, and welcome to another Minecraft episode. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump on OPCraft. So I'm gonna be doing a factions episode. If at any point a video opens, it's Black Ops 3 that I recorded with my sisters. Don't have a stand like a GoPro or anything. I just use my iPhone, and I don't have enough money to buy like a recording thing for my PlayStation. Okay then, servers won't work because I'm uploading something to Drive. So I guess I'm gonna do Survival World. Okay guys, I'll be back once it's loaded. Okay guys, I'm back. The world is loaded. And let's start this. My eyes. Quiet. Okay, so I should, if I go like that, and then that again, if I go like that. Oh, no, wrong thing. Two of them. One of them. A sword. And a furnace. There we go. I'm just gonna build a tiny little shelter for now. I'm not gonna try get all the achievements just because. What was I making? A door. Or doors. I don't know. Okay. Oh, my freaking headphones, I'm unplugging them. Oh. I don't like my computer. Every time I start up my laptop, plug on my headphones, and then my headphones are really screwed, so when I unplug it, the sound just stops. Bloody amazing. I believe I can fly. Well then, another Black Ops 3 video coming out soon. Oh, Iron Sweet. Is it anymore? Yep. I just can't see it properly. Quite a bit of iron just for this is 1.5 pockets, I think. Oh, that's not iron. Bird, shut up. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause it here until I found a cave, and then I can find some more iron, hope maybe some diamond. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, well, I haven't found a cave yet, but I was in the exact same spot, but just started another episode. I've got the other one loaded in Movie Maker. But yeah, I accidentally stopped the recording, so that's fun. So now, I guess I will see you in a second. Jesus Christ, Brody. Jesus Christ. Staircase to bedrock. Found 24 coal in the little thing right here. What am I at? 44. If I go down to 30, 35, I guess. Yeah. I'm just gonna tunnel. Oh, iron, sweet. I've got 11. That's enough for chest plate and nothing else. You need 24 to get a whole set of iron. Oh, okay, I guess that video is complete. Oh my god, you didn't hear anything, don't judge me. Well, actually, really quickly, I'm just going to show you the video. I'm not going to, yeah, so I've just done it like this. Just got my phone on the stand. I don't have, like, a recording thing for my PlayStation. But yeah, War Machine. Me, yes. Combine. That's my little sister's playing. Oh, yeah. What What is that noise? I don't have Discord open. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go to the surface. Oh, everything just reloaded. No mobs. Just gonna get some food. What are the coordinates of my house? Is that another cow? It's a few more cows. Oh, this is a zombie. I'm not gonna put it on hard. I think it's on normal. I don't want to put it on hard because then the zombies will break down my door. Nine should be enough for now. What? Boom. Here we go. No, I can put it like that. So what can I make here? Okay, got my chest plate. There we go. Just gonna go like that. Put the chest plate in there. Oh shit, back in a sec. Okay guys, sorry about the interruption. My mum decided to call. And legs, I mean. Pants and boots, Jesus Christ. Leave the helmet for now. And a stone sword. My arm is so dead. I knew stuff would spawn down here. Is that a villager? I bet it is. Oh my god! Oh, sweet! Oh, iron! Okay, I think I'm gonna grab this, smelt it. I'll be back in a sec once I've mined it up. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep recording because you guys will think I'm chit-ting. Oh my god, quickly. Don't even have enough sticks. I've got to do this quick. Spruce wood, sticks, cobble. Fuck. Go, 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 go. One, 2, 3, 5. There's my helmet. Oh my god. Really? One more iron for a sword. Oh my god. Okay, wait, I have a piece of iron. Got one left, I think. Oh no. Do I? No, I don't. Okay, guys. Gonna end it here. Hope you had fun watching the first episode of the YouTube survival. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Quick, get to the top. Get to the top. Do I have iron in here? No, I do not. Iron. Okay, guys. Next episode, I'll have full set of iron gear. I just need to get an iron sword. Hope you had fun.